What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel, I'm gonna get some free stocks. Make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris saying in today's video is going to be a walkthrough on options in terms of how to sell as well as what to look for. But hey guys, listen, if I helped you in any way, whether I was help you make some money or give you a new perspective on the stock market, please make sure you like and subscribe and join us on the journey. Without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. Okay guys, I think I speak for the entire family when I tell you that it felt good to see a little green in the market in our place today, okay? And listen, even after hours, the market is still going strong, okay? Listen though guys, today I'm going to be breaking down our option plays for tomorrow, but I'm going to be talking about how to sell, but more importantly, what to look for, when to take profits and things like that, okay? I think this stuff can really help you on your journey so that you guys are knowing when to, again, make your move on option plays, guys. I think if we can simplify things, you guys can too have a 90% success rate as well, because that's what I want to see for each and every one of you, okay? So listen guys, let's hop into our option plays and just kind of break them down methodically. Also guys, before we hop into that, I have my put option masterclass tomorrow at 6 p.m. If you haven't received your email yet, please email or text me so I can send you the information you need to make sure you join us. Listen guys, it's sold out, so if you didn't get in this one, don't worry. I got them coming back to back to back. So again, don't fret, I got you guys covered. I want to make sure my family understands the game so that you can dominate consistently, and I make sure that I turn you guys into sharks. Okay guys, I'm going to start with Neo because this is a play we are doing a put on for tomorrow, okay? So I need everybody that's rocking with me the long way to make sure that you, in the morning, tomorrow, when your brokerage accounts allow it, if you haven't got it already, okay, make sure you jump in this play with me, all right? Now check this out. We're going to break Neo down, okay? And as you can see, we are doing a $37.50 put, okay? But the thing I want you to focus on, zoom in on my screen if you need to, watch this 2 times if you need to as well. The break even is what I am more focused on, okay? Yes, I don't believe there will be a huge tumble in Neo, not something like down to 33 or $30. That's not what this is. In the game of options, all you need the stock to do is go in the direction that you said it would. In this particular play, we said it's a put, meaning we think it's going to go down. As long as it start going down towards $36.58, you guys will see the amount of money you make, okay? Now, when it comes to the amount of money that you're going to make, this is what you need to do. I'm going to give it in percents, okay? And remember this moving forward. Always consider taking profits when you're up 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%, okay? And of course beyond. However, I'm giving you those breakdowns because the name of the game is for you not to be greedy. Guys, we can do this every day of the week if you wanted to. So when it comes to these option plays, you don't have to buy 1,000,000 contracts and think you're gonna, again, break the bank all in one play. 2, you don't have to think that, again, that you have to, again, go crazy in the options game. I want you guys to take profits, but don't be greedy, okay? You don't have to think you gotta hold it till it goes up 1,000%. No, okay? You may miss your opportunity to take profits by holding too long, and then it reverses course, and now you're down in a play, and the majority of us won. We walked away with $200, $250, $500, $1,500, but you should have too, but you try to be greedy and hold too long, okay? So I don't want to hear any stories about those of you that held too long and you're complaining. Now, if you held too long, but you use it as a lesson to kind of share with the family, man, you know what, Chris, that was a great play, but I ain't gonna lie, bro, I was greedy and I held too long. I could have made $3,000, but I held too long. I'm cool with that. But if you're trying to say it from a standpoint of we gave you a bad play, then I ain't hearing it, okay? Because I know 9 times out of 10, I win in options, okay? And I'm just being humble about that, okay? Giving one off. Because when you know the game and you know how to get in and get out, your odds of hitting is much more higher, okay? Everything doesn't have to be 1,000% gain. Sometimes you can be okay with the base hit, okay? And that's what I want to teach today. So the break even that we're looking at is around $36.58 for this to go to hit, and if it go beyond, that's a plus. But even if it trends in that direction, that is a win for us, guys. Please make note of that. Please watch this video 2 times just in case you need to see and hear more information and get that pounded in your head. And then take profits, okay? You can take profits when you're up 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100%. Look for one of those marks. Watch how the market is doing. If it's weakness, but you're up 25%, be okay with that. You gotta watch the market to understand whether or not it even has enough power to make it to a 50% gain or a 75% gain, okay? Be mindful of the news. Be mindful what the president may get up there and say, okay? All of those things messes with your plays, okay? That's the only reason why I don't have a 100% success rate, matter of fact. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to put that on you really quickly. I'm gonna show you how to exit out your play. So guys, really quick, and I'll try to do more of this, but again, some of you that's new to options, you gotta get your feet wet. You gotta start pushing some buttons, hitting some things on your screen, okay? When you're ready to take profits, all you do is simply hit trade, you hit sell, okay? And then this screen will pop up. If we bought one contract or you bought one contract, you would just put one contract in there, boom, and now you're making $92, okay? You got a $92 profit, okay? That's how you sell, okay? But you gotta try. You guys ask a lot of questions, but I'm wondering, are you even pushing buttons? Are you even trying to see how do you sell? How do you lock in your profits, okay? Make sure you're getting your feet wet, okay? The best experience is for you to get in the game. Up next, guys, is our word of the day, and our word of the day is buy the rumor, sell the news. Listen, guys, this one is all about genius. I wanted to talk about what took place with this particular play on today, okay? It dropped 20 to 30% in a matter of minutes. That's the nature of genius, okay? I told people a long time ago, if you've been with me, I first built my platform off of everybody losing in Genius, and then they came running to my page, and that's how I began to, again, start putting this game down on you guys in the stock market. But the same thing is true here. Genius was going to do a partnership deal, and it was supposed to be some news around it, okay? And what happened was people bought the rumor and they sold the news. So the selling of the news made the stock tumble 20 to 30%, okay? I want you guys to always be aware of what's going on and why our plays doing what they're doing, whether they're going up or down, okay? So that's all that was. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Now you know. So if you're in Genius, you now know in the future, if they ever have an announcement, that the play will likely come down. This has been its history for as long as I've been watching this stock, so this is nothing new to me. However, some of you guys that want to do options, puts, next time you should do a put when they are about to have a new announcement. Now that the stock has failed 30%, you guys should be doing a call on this to make a killing when it go right back up 30%. And again, I'll let you guys put champagne bottles in the comments next time that happens, okay? Be strategic. Stop looking at everything as a negative. You guys have to have a glass half full mentality and perspective versus a negative one all the time. Just because something dropped, you should see opportunity in that. I should hear you guys talking about, man, I'm about to place a call on that because I know it's going to shoot back up, okay? Or if you think it got more room to fall, you should be placing a put on this back down to the 170 range. Again, guys, it's about being strategic, but that all starts with you. Up next, guys, we have our question of the day, and our question of the day comes from Sty Kid 718. He says, Chris, I'm excited to do options. You taught us game on entering the option plays, but I have a question on exiting those plays. Is it better to exercise call options or sell them for profits? Are there any risks if we sell them for profits? Can you do a video when we should sell and lock in our profits? Sty Kid 718, man, this is a phenomenal question, guys. I'm gonna touch this one because I can go for days on something like this. Listen, guys, we never exercise our options, okay? Somebody make sure that you reiterate this message. My vets, get in the VIP section and make sure this is known. We never exercise our options. We are never in the option play to buy 100 shares. We are only in the game to make money, okay? So unless you're intentional and know what you're doing, never exercise your options, okay? Make a note of that for me, okay, guys? We never exercise options. So you should be selling 1 contract, 2 contracts, 5 contracts. You shouldn't be holding to expiration and then being forced to buy 100 shares. That's not the name of the game. Also, you don't have to have shares of a play to do options, okay? You don't have to own these plays. You can do and buy a call or buy a put without owning the stock, okay? But never exercise your options unless you are intentionally trying to have 100 shares of that company, okay? It's a great way to acquire 100 shares, but if that's not what your intent is, then stay away from that, man. I hope that was helpful. I can go for days on that alone. But listen, guys, if you have questions or comments, leave them below. I'll grab them and add them to my next video. Listen, I make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you all in the next one.